In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print notes pages in PowerPoint efficiently and clearly. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, a class, or a big presentation, being able to have your notes right alongside your slides can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in to make this process as smooth as possible. First, we'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If it's already installed, you should be able to find it among your applications. Go ahead and launch it now. Once open, you have two choices. Either open an existing presentation that you want to add notes to, or create a brand new one. Feel free to set up your slides with photos, tables, and any other content that enhances your presentation. This is your canvas to communicate your ideas effectively. Next, you'll want to switch to a view that lets you work with your notes. Head over to the top of your screen and click on View. From there, choose Notes Page. This view will allow you to interact with both your slides and the Notes section easily. You'll see each slide accompanied by a text box underneath it, where you can jot down notes that are relevant to that specific slide. For improved clarity when printing, it's recommended that you remove the thumbnails of the slides to create more space for your notes. To do this, click on the slide thumbnail on the Notes page and press the Delete key on your keyboard. This step might need to be repeated for each slide, especially if you're working with a multi-slide presentation. By doing so, the Notes pages will focus solely on the notes content, which will be clearer and more readable when printed. Now, it's time to prepare for printing. Head up to the File tab, usually located at the top left corner of the PowerPoint window, and click it. From the drop-down menu, choose Print. This will take you to the print setup, where you'll configure exactly how you want the notes to be printed out. Under Settings, you'll have options for what you want to print. You can select Print All Slides if you wish to print notes for the entire presentation, or choose Print Current Slide if you're focusing on a particular slide's notes. Right under the Slides section, click on the drop-down menu and make sure to select Notes Pages. This ensures that PowerPoint knows to print the notes you've carefully prepared instead of the slides themselves. Lastly, once you've set everything to your liking, find and click the Print button. Your notes will be sent to the printer, formatted for easy reading and usability during your presentation. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure that you have optimized your presentations with printed notes ready to impress your audience. Happy presenting!